In this video, you will learn how to create smartphone video mockup in Canva so that you can change your boring smartphone video from this to this. Are you ready? Let's get started. In order to create the smartphone video mockup in Canva, come to this section, click on create a design, then select YouTube thumbnail. Obviously by now you should have the video you wanted to do the mockup ready. Then all you need to do is to upload it. Come to this section, click on upload, then select upload files. This is the video I wanted to do the mockup. Click on open. As you can see, the video is currently uploading. Now the video is done uploading. All you need to do is to click on the video. I have the video here. Come to elements, then search for frame. Press enter on your keyboard, then click on see all. I'm going to select a smartphone. So let me use this one. This is the one we are going to use. Click on this one, drag it here, then place the video inside like this. Can you see? The video has been mock up. Let me adjust it. There are some adjustments we are still going to make to this, so please be patient. I'm going to increase the size as possible as I can. Then I'm going to make sure everything is well aligned. After I'm done, then I'm going to come to this section. Then I'm going to click on background so that I can change the background. So I'm going to change the background to this background. So I like to use this one. You see how everything is now coming out. Also, I'm going to add some graphic elements to it so that everything can look more professional. For instance, now this is a YouTube video. Now let me come back to elements. Now I'm going to search for subscribe button. Let me just search for subscribe button. Press enter. Since I'm using the free version of Canva, so I'm going to choose the one without the crown icon. All these ones with crown icon are pro versions. So I'm going to choose the ones with free version. So I'm going to select this one. Then I'm going to reduce the size so everything doesn't look too big. I'm going to increase the size just and place it at the center like this. Then let me also place this notification bell at the right hand side. So I'm going to place the notification bell here. Let me reduce the size. I'm going to reduce the size as possible as I can. I'm going to make sure everything is well aligned and lines up perfectly with this. It's looking too big currently. I'm going to leave it at this size. I think this size is looking good currently. After I'm done, I'm going to come to this section, click on share, then scroll down, click on download. Then you have to leave it at MP4 currently, which is the video version. Then click download. So it's now going to download into your PC computer. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next video.